We're here on Intaka Island at Century City, and I've come along to assist Sally, or observe Sally, doing some bird ringing. Across from the island itself, we've got the Environmental Education Centre and main entrance gate to the small reserve. And these are the mist nets that are being used to catch the birds. They're very, very fine and very, very light. And then they're taken off and ringed and released. And the island, Intaka Island, that we're on, is sitting in the middle of a wetland, which you can see over there. Here we've got a little wax ball caught in the net. He'll be taken out in a moment and taken across for ringing. So how are you doing, Mark?
I'm very well.
Good, good.
This fellow is doing very well too, and he's enjoying biting me very hard.
Okay. Oh no, we're...
Ow! And we're just waiting for the others to come back with more birds.
Okay.
Can I just measure his leg, just to check?
Yeah, I'll blow you.
Bite even harder than the other one.
Would be very surprising.
Well done. What did you get?
A little wax.
Oh, cool. 30.8. Mark? They've got very narrow necks.
Yes.
It hurts. Yeah. And unfortunately you have to try not to pull back too hard because it can injure them.
Do you want me to be your scribe?
Okay.
So
ring number is AP77189. First of all, take the ring fingers like that. Put the pliers. Then you take the bird's foot. Yeah. It's better. It's easier and better, I think, to do it on the right leg like that. And then you just squeeze gently. And you turn it around 90 degrees and squeeze again to round it off.
okay.
And close it. And then you check that the ring can turn around, that it's closed properly and can move up and down. And there it is. Okay, and you measure his wing. So you get the shoulder up against the edge, the end of the ruler. You keep the wing close to the body, so you don't stretch it out like that. Keep it close to the body, and you flatten out the feathers as much as you can, straighten them out, and then just read it carefully so that's 50. Just try and have it parallel to the edge of the ruler. So it's 58. And then for the tail, you slide the ruler up between the undertail coverts and the tail.
Until you hit body.
Until you hit the body, yeah.
Okay.
And then you also just make sure the tail's out straight, as straight as you can. And parallel to the edge of the ruler. And got 48. And then molt. Okay, so try and find the gap between the primaries and the secondaries.
Where they're going in different
Where
directions.
they're going in different directions. It looks to me like it's there. See, it's a bit of a
Oh my
change.
goodness, I can't see that.
It's very subtle. It takes a while to see
Yeah.
it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can count the secondaries as well. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They normally start dropping their feathers. And
Usually after they've finished breeding.
Okay.
So going into like end of summer, autumn kind of time. Yeah. No breed patch. Lots of feathers growing back, so maybe it did have one, but and for sex we can put 4 probable female, because there you can see now it's kind of curved. The angle between the stomach and the cloaca is curved, and in males it's a sharp angle, like a 90-degree angle. So help mark that other curve.
What happened to it?
It's really twisted. 10.7.
Okay.
Bringing it is going to bring it.
My dove.
Actually 139.
Okay.
108. 107.
So what are the secondaries, old feathers or
Um,
coming to the secondary?
the secondaries, these are secondaries. Okay, you can see they're slightly paler and they bend that way. And the
Yeah.
primaries are these ones, which are straighter, sort
Okay.
of more angled upward.
And you can see some of the primaries
And
are dark.
From the little one between.
Those are the new feathers,
So
the
these
dark
are
primaries.
exactly, yeah. These are the new ones. Now, normally they would start at this end and work in that direction, but this one, for some reason, has got one here that's behind the other ones. I don't know why. So let me just check the other wing and see if it's the same, because sometimes, like, it might have lost one of the new feathers and just be in the
Regrowing,
yeah. So look here. There's what it should look like.
Okay.
It's actually missing one feather in between here, because it should have 10.
So one is growing and one is missing.
Yeah, it'll be a pin in down in here somewhere probably.
Okay.
And it's difficult to find them.
Well, that's right. We'll believe you.
Well, I need to find it for writing it down. There we go. There's a pin. I think that's it. Or no, it's actually a small feather. It could be a covert though. That's the thing. You get confused now with the coverts and the actual primaries.
Yes, because I guess they replaced most of their feathers at some stage of the game.
Yeah, all of them.
They're all being replaced.
Yeah, but often like the body feathers are just sort of all year round, but the wing feathers, the flight feathers would be just after breeding. It's like at one period, at one time of the year. Yes.